In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages on your Telegram application. So head over to your Telegram application and you're going to tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner here. Select settings. Under settings, you'll see data and storage here. So tap on data and storage. So the first option I'm going to show you, or the first setting I'm going to show you, is where you see storage usage. That's the first settings. Tap on storage usage. So here you're going to see auto remove cached media. For private chat, it's set to 1 month. So in case you don't want your message to be completely deleted in future, select never auto remove cached media. I'm going to show you reason why you should select never at the end of this video. So for group chat, in case you don't want to miss your group chat, you can still tap and select never. For channels, you can still select never and the rest. So here you can limit the maximum cache size. For now, it's currently set to no limit. You can reduce it or you leave it at no limit. So go back. The next one I'm going to show you is automatic media download. Now, before I tell you about automatic media download, which you also have in WhatsApp, what you need to understand is that Telegram has a way of backing up your media to the cloud, like iCloud. And recently, Telegram have their own cloud services. So once you set up the automatic media download, you enable it. Once you enable it, you can tap on it to expand it. Here you can select photo, video, files, and stories. So you can see they even have up to stories, so you can save the stories. So you can choose to select automatic photos, videos, files, or stories download to your own device. So with that, even if your Telegram crash, you uninstall your Telegram, you change device, you don't have to worry about your media files. So that's that. Now you now scroll to save to gallery. Private chat, save private chat to gallery. That has to do with chat, not the media now. You can also save videos to gallery. That's the chat photos and the chat videos to gallery. So you can also do that for groups, and you can also do that for channels. So with this now, you'll be sure that you can recover your deleted messages on Telegram in case your Telegram crash, you change device and the rest. So thank you guys for watching. Please, if this video helped you, support this video with a like and subscribe to the channel so I'll be able to catch you in my next video.